Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a CNAME record on Cloudflare. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Cloudflare, you want to go to your websites here and you will be redirected to this page. Now after that, you're going to choose a website which you want to go ahead and add a CNAME record to. So for example, let's go ahead on this one. Now on here, you will see DNS in the right corner right there, and you want to click on DNS records. After that, you can go ahead and scroll down and you will see your CNAME here. But to add a CNAME, you're going to just click add a record, choose CNAME, add a root, and enter your domain name. So for example, for the specific one, it would be like so, and then you would save it and add it, and that's pretty much it. And now you will not be able to add it if you already have a CNAME record, so you may want to delete this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.